There's a train in Peru with its own dedicated spa car where you can get a clay wrap with coca leaves while crossing the Altiplano. And that's not even the most extra one. In South Africa, the Blue Train has deluxe suites with full-sized bathtubs and personal butlers for your 1,000-mile journey. If you want to feel like you're in an old movie, the Venice Simplon Orient Express is a restored 1920s icon where dressing up for dinner is part of the experience. This isn't just travel, it's like living in a 5-star hotel on wheels.